if there is a correct spacing is there, then the all plants will get the correct amount of the fertilizers and the growth will be excellent. So spacing will decide the growth of the sugarcane. Welcome to all farmers. Welcome to Mahaganpati Krushi YouTube channel. So today's topic is spacing between the two sugarcane plants. So the good spacing will improve the plant growth, and there is a optimum use of the fertilizer, there is a optimum use of the nutrients, and there is a optimum use of the space. For better space utilization, the spacing between two plants is very important. So to get the good number of tillers, the spacing is very important. To get the excellent growth, the spacing is important. For nutrient use efficiency, the spacing is important. For better growth, the spacing is important. So spacing will decide the growth of the plants, and spacing will decide the ultimate production of your sugarcane. So spacing is the first step in starting the sugarcane cultivation. So it is a very simple term, that is spacing, but it will affect more. So for that, the good spacing will give you good yield. If there is a gap between two furrows is 3 feet, then the space between two plants should be 2 feet. If there is a gap between two furrows is 4 feet, then the space between two sugarcane plant should be 1 feet 9 inch. If there is a gap between two furrows is 5 feet, then the space between two sugarcane plant should be 1 foot 6 inch. Like this, you have to maintain the spacing. If you are using the drip irrigation, then the spacing will decide the growth of the plant. If you are giving the fertilizers through drip irrigation, then if there is a correct spacing is there, then the all plants will get the correct amount of the fertilizers. The growth will be excellent. So spacing will decide the growth of the sugarcane. Suppose if there is a very close spacing is there, then the tiller numbers are less, and the competition for the fertilizers, the competition for the nutrient, and the competition for the space will increase. If the spacing is more, the production also less. Most importantly, if there is a correct spacing between two plants, then the weight of the sugarcane also increases. So if the weight of the sugarcane increases, then the sugarcane production and the sugarcane yield also increases. Correct spacing is necessary for the sugarcane cultivation. So you have to maintain correct spacing. Air circulation is a very important aspect in the sugarcane cultivation, so that if there is a correct spacing is there, then the air circulation also be better. How many tillers should be there for one sugarcane plant? So all details are there in the Mahaganpati Krushi YouTube channel. So you can maintain the correct number of tillers as per your spacing. The space between two furrows will decide the number of tillers per sugarcane plant. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Thank you so much.